Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, and for today's video, I am going to teach you about sets. Are you familiar with this topic? Especially to those grade 7. This is for you.
So, before we proceed to our discussion, let's have first an activity. You can pause the video when you answer. Number 1. Which of the following does not belong to the group? Okay, you can pause the video. In 3, 2, 1. The answer is this one, because all the members of this group are the Philippine presidents, and this lady here is just a student. Next, which of the following does not belong to the group? In 3, 2, 1. So, the answer is this one, because this is the only animal that lives in the land, and the rest is on the water. Next, the last one. Which of the following does not belong to the group? In 3, 2, 1. So, the answer is this one, because all the elements are vowels except this letter B. So, that was our first activity. Did you get it right completely? If yes, then I think you have prior knowledge with our topic. So, let's move on. So, according to George Cantor, the father of set theory, a set is a well-defined collection or gathering together into a whole of distinct objects, called elements. So, a set is well defined if there is no ambiguity as to whether or not an object belongs to it. A set is defined so that we can always tell what is and what is not a member of the set. And you can say that this is not a set when, for this example, a set of good-looking students at KCAS. So, this is not an example of set because it is not well defined. Okay, let's move on. Important terms to remember. So, a set is a well-defined group of objects called elements that share a common characteristic. So, for example, the set of head covering, or simply we write this like this. H is equal to ladies hat, baseball cap, hard, and hard hat. So this is an example of a set. The set F is a subset of set A if all elements of F are also elements of A. So for example, we have this set A is equal to 2, 4, and 12, a whole numbers. So we form a subset that is set F is equal to 2 and 4. So set F form a subset of the set of whole numbers, and this set A, because all the elements of set F is also elements of A. So that is a subset. Next, F is a proper subset of A if F does not contain all elements of A. So for example, we have another set that is set F is equal to 2, 4, and 5. So we notice here that 2 and 4 is also elements of A. However, this 5 does not belong to A. So F is a proper subset of A because F does not contain all elements of A. So that is a proper subset. Next, the universal set is the set that contains all objects under consideration. So, for example here, in our example here, we have this set A. So, this set A is our universal set, and we form a subset F in this set. So, set A is our universal set here. So, that is universal set. Next is the null set. The null set is an empty set. The null set is a subset of any set. So if you are going to form a subset of a set or of a universal set, so you already have the null set. The cardinality of a set A is the number of elements contained in A. So let's find it out later. Notations and symbols. We write the capital letter in writing a set or naming a set. So, for example, here we write the capital letter H to represent the set of head covers, that is, ladies' hat, baseball cap, and hard hat. And we have two types of or methods in writing a set. And first one is listing or roster method. So, listing or roster method, you are going to write all the elements here. Write this, for example, ladies' hat, baseball cap, and hard hat. And the rule method is just like this. The phrase of the elements, that is, covers and protects the head. So, that is how we write a set. And this one is the symbol for empty set or null set. For example, we have M is equal to X such that X is months containing 32 days. Do we have months contain 32 days? So, there is none. So, our set is null set, and we represented it here like this. And this is how we going to write a subset. So, for example, F is a subset of A. And this one is the symbol for proper subset. And we write it like this. F is a proper subset of A. So, the next one is the cardinality of a set. So, the cardinality of a set is the number of the elements of a set. For example, we have set H is equal to ladies' hat, baseball cap, and hard hat. So, the cardinality of set H is equal to 3. And the next one is Venn diagrams. Sets and subsets may be represented using Venn diagrams. These are diagrams that make use of geometric shapes to show relationships between sets. For example, we have the universal set A represent a universal set, and set B, which is a circle shape, is the subset, and also set C. These are the elements. However, D does not belong to set A. So, set D is not a subset of set A. So, that is how we are going to use the Venn diagrams. And we're done! So, this time we're going to have another activity. That is activity number 2. I hope you guys will enjoy this.